Subject Physics. I am Mr. Indrabhan Bhur sir. Today I am going to teach you rotational dynamics is the first chapter of physics. In previous lecture we studied about uniform circular motion, basic concept of rotational dynamics. Now today's concept is that centripetal force and centrifugal force. First, centripetal force. Centripetal force is a force which is directed along the radius and towards center of circle. Listen carefully. Centripetal force is a force which is directed along the radius and towards center of circle. For example, motion of earth around the sun. Motion of earth around the sun. Motion of hands of a clock. Motion of hands of a clock. Motion of electrons around the nucleus in circular orbit. Motion of electrons around the nucleus in circular orbit are the examples for the centripetal force. Centripetal force is a real force. Centripetal force is a real force. This force is directed along the radius and towards center of circle. Centripetal force is given by centripetal force is equal to mr omega square. Centripetal force is equal to m phi square upon r. Centripetal force is equal to m phi omega. We can calculate centripetal force by using these formulas. Centripetal force is a real force. It is very important. And this force directed along the radius and towards center of circle. Now the next concept is that centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is a force which is directed along the radius but away from the center of circle. For example, person sitting in a giant field experiences pseudo force. As you know, giant field. Person sitting in a giant field experiences pseudo force. I am telling about this. बघा, जेव्हा आपण जो यात्रेमध्ये जो मोठा पाळणा असतो, यात्रेमध्ये जो पाळणा असतो त्यामध्ये बसल्यानंतर जेव्हा पाळणा वरून खाली येत असतो तेव्हा त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला आउटवर्ड पुल होतं. म्हणजेच याचा अर्थ काय होतो की त्या ठिकाणी सुडो फोर्स म्हणजेच इमॅजिनरी फोर्स असतो. यात्रेमध्ये जो पाळणा असतो त्यामध्ये पाळण्यामध्ये बसल्यानंतर जेव्हा पाळणा हा वरून खाली येत असतो तो सर्क्युलर मोशनच क्रिएट करत असतो, परंतु तो जेव्हा वरून खाली येत असतो तेव्हा तो पाळणा वरून खाली येत असताना आपल्याला एका ठराविक वेळेला आउटवर्ड पुल होतं, म्हणजेच तो सुडो फोर्स असतो, इमॅजिनरी फोर्स असतो, कारण की मोशन मात्र सर्क्युलरच असते. So that it is directed away from the center of circle. Centrifugal force directed away from the center of circle. Centrifugal force is given by the formula centrifugal force is given by the formula centrifugal force is equal to mr omega square. Centrifugal force is equal to m phi square upon r. Centrifugal force is equal to m phi omega. By using this formula, we can calculate centrifugal force acting on an object. This is very important concepts for the examination of the HSC board. Distinguish between centripetal force and centrifugal force. Define centripetal force, given example. Define centrifugal force, given example. So that centripetal force is a real force, centrifugal force is a imaginary, which is also called as pseudo force. Spelling for the pseudo force is that P-S-E-U-D-O. There is P. This is very important. Spelling for the pseudo force. So that centripetal force and centrifugal force are the very important concepts.